Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the audio service is not running on Windows 10 or 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, click on Start, type Device Manager, open Device Manager, scroll down and here you will see Sound, Video and Game Controllers expanded. Now here guys you will see a list of audio device which you are using. So in case if you are using high definition audio device, so right click on it and you will see disable device, so enable it. And if you see here it's enabled, so not make it disable. Also you can check Realtek audio if you don't recognize, and if you see option here enable, so make it enable. So this is the first way you can check and you can try this method work or not. And in case it's not work, so try another method. Click on start and type services, open services. Now guys here you will find out Windows Audio, double click on it and startup type select as automatic. In case it's manual or disabled, so make it automatic. And service status should be running as we can see here, so apply and OK. And also guys you can restart this service, so right click on it and restart. And also you can restart this service by clicking here, then close and restart. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps we can fix the audio service is not running on Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.